Like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Hey, I got some what I think is pretty big news and possible change of heart here on Grandpa's prediction for next week here, based on what's come out here. So, couple things. We've got, what do we got? We got Tesla earnings coming out on Wednesday the 24th. And I just want to say that traditionally, prior to earnings, couple 2-3 days, Tesla starts to bounce up. And after earnings, it's anybody's game. It can keep going or it can drop back. But coming into earnings, which is next Wednesday the 24th, traditionally Tesla bounces upward. And earnings, in Grandpa's opinion, what I'm seeing are looking pretty decent. We could get a bounce here substantially. So, and on top of that, we got some good news. The semi plant out in Giga, Nevada, broke ground, I believe, on January 17th, back a few days here. And sometime in 2025, they should have that bus running and producing semis. So that, margin-wise for Tesla, not that big a deal right out of the chute, but it will gain as time goes along. But it will improve Tesla's margins. And they're backed up on orders on their semis quite a ways, just like they're backed up on their Megapack that they sell. So Tesla's on the move here. The other thing is institutional investors have just been piling in and buying Tesla this last Thursday and Friday, and big time. And even more than usual, they're starting to buy, and we may have bottomed out here. And so, we're sitting at, what are we sitting at? Around 212 something right now, and maybe we get a small dip down. Hope for one, get down around 209, 210. You might want to grab some shares. And Grandpa's going to talk a little bit here about our 214.5 and 264.5. Okay. Now this candle here, January, 5 out of the last 7 months, monthly candles, we've managed to get into from 214.50 to 264.50. That's a $50 move, and I'm thinking we're going to get another one. Now on this one here, it took 2 months. We dipped down, and then we went up to the 268 mark, or 265, whatever it was. In the second candle, it finished it out, and I'm seeing that same scenario here. I'm seeing where whether this thing dips down to 207 or whatever, or 205, and turns up in this particular candle, the next candle, the top of it is 264.58. Okay. right on Grandpa's blue line. So February's candle could be the one that takes us back up to the 260 area. And that's where Grandpa's planning on selling. Grandpa and my real cash account, I've got just under a 212 average now in that particular one. And Grandpa plans on selling them $50 above whatever. If I can snag some more on Monday, Tuesday, and I'm hoping to get my average down around 210 area. If I get it to 210, I'll sell at 260. If I get it to 211, I'm going to sell them at 261. That's just what Grandpa's going to do. Not financial advice, of course, but it's $50. Grandpa wants to play this $50 game, and then because they'll bring her back down again. No doubt in Grandpa's mind, we got 184 on the bottom, and it will come. You'll see it. But this 284 is 280 is the oldest thing we got up here. Over 4 months. How long they're going to keep us out of there, I do not know. But we've got some good news coming out on Tesla with this Nevada plant breaking ground, and their earnings on Wednesday looks positive, and they might drive it up, and pull the plug on Tesla after the earnings call on Thursday, after a Wednesday. But Grandpa just don't know for sure. But let's see if there's anything I'm missing here. Let's see. We got Giga Nevada semi plant January 17th. They broke ground, and they should be functional sometime in first part of 25. And Tesla earnings coming out on the 24th, and institutional investors bought big time Thursday and Friday. And there's a ton of shorts. And the market makers just love to kill them. Everybody's anticipating the 190s, 170s. I hear it all the time, and Grandpa does too. And all indications we should. But in this monthly chart, we're moving sideways in this monthly chart, just big time. It hasn't broke yet, and it don't need to break yet. And even going up to 264 area does not break us. We're still in Grandpa's blue line here, and I think very likely we're going to see that bounce up in the next month here in February. Very likely. How low we'll go, Grandpa don't know for sure. But if you're buying here down where you can sell at 264 area or a little bit less and make your $50, I think that's a wise move. Get all you can. That's what Grandpa's doing. Okay, so I'm gonna call it short here. I just thought I'd come on and tell you that for next week, Grandpa is thinking we're gonna bounce. We're gonna bounce in the earnings, and Grandpa could be wrong. I hope it drops more. I want to buy more shares. I ain't kidding. I've been waiting and just piddling around buying, but I hope it doesn't gap up $10 over Monday morning pre-market, but it might. You just don't know with this stock. It is fun, I'll tell you that. All good things are from the Lord. Tomorrow we got church, and it's going to be a hoot. We got our little 11 grandkids. We're going to be in church, and they all get to sit by Grandma and Grandpa. Oh, boy. I don't know if I'll hear the sermon, but I'm going to enjoy it one way or the other. Lord willing, we'll see you Monday morning early. Bye-bye.